Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform your team's productivity and morale. How to praise your team professionally. Recognizing your team's efforts is more than just a feel-good gesture. It's a powerful tool that can motivate and retain top talent. So, how do you do it the right way? Let's break it down into a few key strategies. First, be specific with your praise. Instead of a generic "great job," highlight what exactly impressed you. For example, your creative approach to solving that client issue was brilliant and really helped maintain our partnership. When you highlight specific actions, it reinforces of what you want to see more of and shows your team that you're paying attention. Second, make your praise timely. Don't wait to the next performance review to show acknowledgement. Acknowledge achievements as soon as they happen to show genuine appreciation and maximize impact. Think about how you'd feel if someone recognized your hard work weeks after the fact. Wouldn't hit the same, right? Third, be authentic. Your team can tell when praise is forced or exaggerated. Keep it honest and heartfelt. Remember, the goal is to make your team feel seen and valued, so keep it real. Fourth, balance between public and private praise. Public acknowledgement in team meetings or emails can boost morale and encourage others, but private, one-on-one praise can be just as impactful, especially for more reserved team members. Get to know your team's preferences. Some thrive on public praise, while others appreciate a quiet thank you. Finally, connect praise to larger team or company goals. This helps your team see how their contributions fit into the big picture. For instance, your detailed presentation helped us secure that project, pushing us closer to our Q4 goals. Great work. Now let's talk about the benefits. What can you expect when you praise your team the right way? First, it boosts team morale and motivation. Employees who feel valued are more likely to stay engaged and productive. Second, it strengthens trust and communication, creating a positive work culture. And third, praise encourages repeat performance, inspiring employees to continue excelling and thriving within the organization. But are there potential downsides? Absolutely. If praise is too frequent or given without genuine basis, it can feel insincere, losing its impact. Overpraising can also create expectation that might make team members complacent or diminish the significance of genuine achievements. And finally, giving praise unevenly can lead to perceptions of favoritism, affecting team dynamics. So, while praise is essential, it should be thoughtful and balanced. Professional praise is more than just a pat on the back. It's about building trust, boosting morale, and inspiring continued excellence. Start practicing these tips and you'll see how far genuine and well-placed praise can really go. Thanks for watching. We also have a more in-depth article on professional praise linked in the description if you're interested in more details. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more leadership and team management insights. See you on the next one.